name's Rebecca Summery, and I will be your instructor this semester for UI 366 Law and Economics. I've been teaching at Southeast since 1983 and have served as the chairperson of the Department of Economics and Finance since 1990. In addition to teaching at Southeast, I serve as a forensic economist working with attorneys in Missouri, Illinois, Kentucky, and Kansas. In that capacity, I compute economic losses in tort cases. For example, if an individual has filed a malpractice case and is no longer able to work, I compute the future lost earnings that the plaintiff has lost due to the injury. Economics as a discipline is concerned with the problem of making decisions when resources are scarce. As you learned in your Introduction to Economics class, wants are unlimited while resources are limited, resulting in the scarcity problem. As such, it is concerned with topics such as efficiency, incentives, and rational behavior. Law, on the other hand, is a discipline that is concerned with justice and fairness. Therefore, you might think that there is little in common between the two disciplines. But the reality is that the concepts of economics, in particular efficiency, incentives, and rationality, can be used to understand and explain decisions made by courts of law. Just as an economist is concerned with the efficient use of resources, so a judge may make a decision that will be guided implicitly or explicitly by rules of efficiency. The economist also emphasizes the incentive effects that markets present to economic actors. Proper incentives can promote efficient use of scarce resources, while distorted or ineffective incentives will lead to waste. In a similar fashion, incentives will be influenced by decisions made in courts of law. Decisions can be framed so as to give proper incentives to individuals in such areas as contract making and torts. Poorly framed decisions will lead to wrong incentives and subsequent waste. As you can see, there's the potential for much overlap between the disciplines of law and economics. The field itself is relatively new, starting in the early 1970s, but both economists and lawyers have benefited from the economic analysis of law. Efficiency is the holy grail of economics. When economists talk about efficiency, we mean one or more of the following. Costs are minimized, output is maximized, profits are maximized, and net benefits are maximized. During the course of the semester, we'll be using one or more of these concepts of efficiency to evaluate legal issues. Assessment in this course includes exams, homework, cases, and forum posts. Please take the time to carefully review the course syllabus to make sure that you understand the course requirements and ask questions if you are unsure about any assignment. You can ask questions via the question forum or send me an email. I will respond to emails within 24 hours, except weekends when you may not receive a response until Monday before noon. Due dates for all assignments can be found on the course calendar. Once again, welcome to UI 366 and have a great semester.